Hello children, today we are learning ABCD alphabets and colors name. So let's start. Red color, sky blue color, baby pink color, purple color, dark blue color, yellow color, green color. A for apple, B for bag, C for car, D for dog, E for eye, F for fan, G for girl, H for house, I for ice cream, J for juice, K for kite, L for lamb, M for mango, N for nose, O for octopus, P for penguin, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for star, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for window, X for x-ray, Y for yacht, Z for zebra. Let's tracing letter Q. Capital Q.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock,
Capital R.
tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two.
Let's painting. Purple color.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock,
Very good. Q for queen. Dear children and parents, please like and subscribe. Excellent. R for rabbit. So pretty. Q U E and queen. RABBIT rabbit. Let's tracing S. Capital S. Capital T. Let's painting. Nice.
Hickory dickory dock. The
S
birds
for star.
The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Good job. T for tree.
Hickory dickory dock. The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh, fiddlesticks. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Awesome.